Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, I stand before you to address an incredibly important topic that affects each and every one of us: financial education and practical tips for financial success. In a world where money plays a vital role in our lives, it is crucial to equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills necessary to make sound financial decisions. By understanding how to manage our money wisely, we can pave the way for a brighter and more secure future. Financial education is the process of acquiring knowledge and skills that empower individuals to make informed decisions about their personal finances. It encompasses various aspects, including budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and financial planning. Unfortunately, many people enter adulthood without a solid foundation in financial literacy, leading to financial struggles and missed opportunities. So, why is financial education essential? Firstly, it helps us establish a strong financial foundation. By learning about budgeting, we can track our expenses, prioritize our needs, and avoid unnecessary debt. Saving money becomes easier when we understand the importance of setting aside a portion of our income for future needs and emergencies. With a solid financial foundation, we can weather unexpected storms and achieve our long-term goals. Secondly, financial education enables us to make informed decisions about investments. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, understanding the risks and potential returns allows us to make choices aligned with our financial goals. It helps us grasp concepts like diversification, asset allocation, and risk management. Additionally, financial education empowers us to evaluate different financial products and services, ensuring we make choices that are in our best interest and avoid falling prey to scams or dubious investments. Thirdly, financial education equips us with the tools to manage and reduce debt. It teaches us about interest rates, credit scores, and the impact of debt on our overall financial health. By learning strategies to manage and pay off debt efficiently, we can avoid falling into the cycle of perpetual indebtedness. We can also make informed decisions about borrowing money, understanding the consequences and alternatives available. Now, let's delve into some practical tips for financial success. Create a budget. Start by assessing your income and expenses. Track your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate your funds to cover necessary expenses and set aside savings. Stick to your budget as closely as possible to avoid overspending. Regularly review and update your budget as your financial situation evolves. Save consistently. Set a savings goal and make it a priority to save a portion of your income regularly. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a savings account. Treat saving as a non-negotiable expense and pay yourself first. By cultivating a habit of consistent saving, you'll accumulate a healthy nest egg over time. Eliminate unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses with a critical eye and identify areas where you can cut back. It could be eating out less, reducing entertainment expenses, or renegotiating bills to get better deals. Look for creative ways to save money, such as using coupons, shopping during sales, or exploring cost-effective alternatives. Educate yourself. Continuously seek financial knowledge through books, articles, online courses, and seminars. Stay updated on current trends and financial strategies to make informed decisions. Develop an understanding of personal finance topics such as investing, taxes, insurance, and retirement planning. The more knowledge you acquire, the more confident you'll be in managing your finances effectively. Diversify your income. Explore opportunities to generate additional income streams. This could involve starting a side business, freelancing, or investing in assets that generate passive income. Diversifying your income not only increases your earning potential, but also provides a buffer against unexpected financial setbacks. Plan for emergencies. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to provide a safety net during challenging times. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, allowing you to navigate unforeseen circumstances without resorting to high-interest debt or depleting your savings. Invest for the future. Start investing early, even if it's with small amounts. Compound interest works wonders over time, and the earlier you start, the more your money can grow. Take advantage of retirement accounts such as 401(k)s or IRAs, which offer tax advantages. Consider seeking professional advice to create a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Manage debt wisely, minimize high-interest debt, and focus on paying it off systematically. Prioritize your debts based on interest rates, starting with the highest rate debts first. Consider consolidating or refinancing loans to reduce interest rates and save money in the long run. Explore strategies like the snowball or avalanche methods to accelerate debt repayment and regain control of your financial situation. Protect yourself and your assets. Ensure you have appropriate insurance coverage to safeguard against unexpected events such as illness, accidents, or property damage. Review your insurance policies, including health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance, to ensure you have adequate protection. Insurance acts as a safety net, providing financial security and peace of mind. Seek professional advice. When in doubt, consult a certified financial planner or advisor who can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. Financial professionals can help you navigate complex financial decisions, provide expert advice, and assist in creating a comprehensive financial plan. Their expertise can help you optimize your finances, maximize your investments, and achieve your financial goals faster. In conclusion, financial education and implementing practical tips for financial success are essential for everyone. By taking control of our finances, we can reduce stress, achieve our goals, and build a more prosperous future. Let's commit to learning, practicing sound financial habits, and empowering ourselves to make informed decisions. Together, we can pave the way for a financially secure and fulfilling life. Thank you.